Hi, and welcome to another mindful moment. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat. Feel free to go outdoors today. This will be a quick 5-minute mindful moment. So, wherever you are, find a comfortable seat, uncross your legs, and place both of your feet flat on the ground. And if you're sitting differently, make sure to sit comfortably. If you'd like to, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze. With your next inhale, allow to gently straighten your spine. Perhaps you want to roll your shoulders back a few times, maybe roll them forward. And on your exhale, we release, drop our shoulders, drop our weight. Take a big breath out and allow yourself to arrive. I invite you to bring attention to your breath. Notice your inhale. The air flows into your lungs. The ribs expand. The chest rises. As you exhale, the chest slowly falls and the air expels back out of the nose or of the mouth. Just continue that for one more time. We breathe in consciously and we breathe out slowly. I invite you now to add a few counts to your breath. This is your even breath. We'll be inhaling for 4, and then we'll be exhaling for 4. Let's do that together now. We breathe in through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, and we breathe out through the nose or through the mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do this a few more rounds. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Steady exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. One more with me. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, take a steady inhale in through the nose. And then exhale slowly for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Let go of the breath and allow yourself to just be. Notice how you're feeling. Notice your body. Notice any emotions that may arise. Notice your thoughts. And allow to just accept the way you are. As we come to a close, gently start to wiggle your toes, your fingers. Take a shoulder roll backwards and forwards. With your next inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, reach up nice and tall. Take a big breath in, and then a big breath out, releasing your hands back down and come back to the present with a smile on your face. Thanks, everyone. See you soon.